Before each flight, check your X10 propellers to ensure they are in good condition. If a propeller is damaged, you'll need to replace it before flying. For optimal performance, Skydio also recommends replacing your propellers routinely, even if they don't appear to be damaged. Skydio recommends replacing your props every 250 hours of flight. For this process, you'll need a set of replacement propellers. To remove the old or damaged propeller set, hold onto the motor with one hand and take the propeller hub in the other. Press down on the propeller hub and twist to release. Match the replacement set of propellers to the color on the motor. Align it on the motor, and then press down and twist to lock in place. And that's it! Your drone is ready for flight. For more information about your Skydio X10 system, visit us at skydio.com/support.